Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at Peter Norvig, a huge name in AI. We want to explore his influence, as both a scientist and an author, from those foundational textbooks to actually building things out in the real world. How did he shape how we even conceive of AI?
Exactly. And our mission here is to really unpack the why, not just what he did, but why it mattered so much. And hopefully give you some insights that, well, they still really click in today's AI world. It's a shortcut, really, to understanding a key figure.
Okay, so let's start with maybe the obvious one, the textbook. Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach, or A-War, co-authored with Stuart Russell. This isn't just any AI book, right? It's like the book. Used everywhere, 1,500 universities, 135 countries. What made AMA so foundational? How did it shape whole generations?
Yeah, it's hard to overstate it. AMA did something crucial. It wasn't just a list of techniques. It provided a unified view. It codified the algorithms, the problem-solving approaches, even the sort of philosophical ideas behind intelligent agents. It basically gave everyone a common language, standardized the curriculum. For a field like AI back then, which was pretty diverse and still emerging, that was massive. It showed a systematic way to tackle AI problems.
Right, a common language. And that understanding, it clearly wasn't just theoretical for him. I mean, look at his career outside academia. Director of Google Research, Search Quality, head of computational sciences at NASA Ames. That's overseeing 200 scientists.
Autonomy, robotics.
Yeah. And even before that, helping build one of the first comparison shopping sites, Jungly. How did these roles let him sort of connect the theory to the practice?
Well, what's really striking when you look at it is that consistent drive. He wanted to put AI to work at scale. At Google, he was right there applying AI to massive problems like making search better, showing how that data-first thinking could get real results for, well, billions of people.
Yeah.
And NASA, guiding research for autonomous systems in space. I mean, these are critical, demanding applications.
Yeah.
He wasn't just watching AI happen. He was in the trenches, shaping how it got used in some really tough environments.
And it wasn't just the tech side, was it? He wrote these really interesting essays, too. They kind of challenge how you think. Like, teach yourself programming in 10 years, pushing back against the quick fix learning idea, translate it everywhere.
Oh, yeah, that one got a lot of attention.
And the Gettysburg PowerPoint presentation, that brilliant satire of bad slides. Is there a common thread there? What's the underlying message in these maybe seemingly different pieces?
I think it comes down to his focus on, genuine understanding. Real effectiveness over just looking good or taking shortcuts. But maybe the most pivotal piece, the one that really echoes today, is the unreasonable effectiveness of data. He wrote that with Alan Halevy and Fernando Pereira. And it made this powerful, almost counterintuitive point for really complex stuff like understanding language, simple models, plus loads of data, often beat fancy models with less data.
Simple models, lots of data.
Yeah, it was a huge shift. Use the messy, unlabeled data that's everywhere. Don't necessarily try to build something incredibly elaborate first. And that insight, it directly informs how we build today's foundation models, the huge LLMs trained on massive data sets that are changing everything.
That is such a powerful idea. The sheer force of data. Was that controversial then? Did people push back, argue for more elegant, theory-heavy models, maybe?
Oh, initially, yeah. It definitely challenged the way a lot of people were thinking. The focus was often on, carefully crafted models, smaller, cleaner data. But the results started speaking for themselves. As computing power grew, as more data became available, the success of these data-driven approaches was just, undeniable. It proved its unreasonable effectiveness. It really shifted the research focus towards scaling data, using simpler algorithms where possible. We're still riding that wave.
And maybe that same drive, simplifying complexity, sharing insights, is why he got so involved in AI education, making it accessible, like that massive online AI course in 2011 with Sebastian Thrun, over 160,000 students. And he still teaches on Udacity.
Absolutely. It's like he didn't just write the definitive book. He then took the classroom to the entire world. And that embrace of open education making this complex stuff accessible.
Well, it fits perfectly with what we try to do here on the Deep Dive, right? Giving you, the listener, access to this cutting-edge knowledge without the old barriers. It's really about democratizing insight. So yeah, you can really see it. Peter Norvig's impact is everywhere, from the textbooks that taught generations to leading industry applications, pushing data-first AI and opening up education. It's multifaceted.
He really did change how we think about what AI can do, emphasizing data, challenging the old ways, and crucially, making it all understandable.
And his work leaves us with a really interesting question, doesn't it? In this world just swimming in data, how much more unreasonable effectiveness could we unlock just by embracing more of that data instead of always chasing more complex models?
Definitely something to think about.
We hope this deep dive gave you a useful shortcut to appreciating the huge impact of Peter Norvig, a real architect of modern AI.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us.
Until next time, keep exploring and keep asking those questions.